Hello, welcome to Mandyland, a magical playground for creative souls. Today we're going to draw a banana cat. The supplies I used to create this banana cat are micron markers in 01 and 03, Strathmore watercolor paper, pencil, eraser, Prismacolor colored pencils in all the colors that you see here. This video is not sponsored by any of these products, I just love them. This color right here is actually not black, it's dark purple. Then we have hot pink and brown. And don't forget to sharpen your pencils. Let's begin. This video is part of my fruit series. If you want to check out all the other fruits in this series, then click the link in the right-hand corner. In order to draw this banana cat, I did go on Google and I collected some pictures for inspiration. And if you really like fruit cats, I did draw a pineapple cat, so you can click the video in the right-hand corner if you'd like to see that as well. After sketching out my drawings in pencil, I like to go in and clean up the lines with those micron markers. Once I've gone in and inked all the lines, I will take an eraser to get rid of all those pencil marks. I wanted to make this look like it was a semi-ripened banana, so I went on Google to look at pictures of what bananas look like when they have some of those bruising marks on the skin. have it, banana cat. So I scanned my drawing in, took it into Photoshop to clean it up a little bit more. And then after that, I took it into Canva so I could create the cutest little card. And if you want to grab that greeting card, you can head to my shop. It is a printable digital card. So thanks for being here. For more creative inspiration, don't forget to subscribe. And like I always say, go out and paint the world with your color, your light, and your love.